So today I would like to introduce the Tuya Smart Switch. So for this switch, the green color, you can just left it, no need to connect it to anything. And you connected the blue and the white, both go to the open SW, the red go to the power, and then the black go to the ground, GND. So at the door access keypad, connected the blue and white go to the open SW, and the red go to the 12 volt, and then the black go to the GND. So right now we try the wrong password. Now you will see the green light doesn't light up. So right now I key the true password. Yeah, and then the green light up. And right now I try the switch. Yeah, the green light also light up. Go to Play Store or either App Store. If you're using App Store, then you need to change it to the China mainland version, and then you type Tuya, and you will see this application, and then you just download it. So to connect this switch, just press it around 5 seconds. And you will see the blue light start flashing. Click the Tuya application at the right top, add device, and ensure you already turn on your Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth, and then you click the smart switch and then key in your Wi-Fi information, the Wi-Fi name and also the Wi-Fi password, and then next, and then it will start pairing, and press done, and then you successfully add the smart switch. So right now I press on my phone, then the green light turn on. Just means the door already open. For this Tuya Smart Switch, you can configure some features by yourself. You can click the timer, and then for the countdown time, you can put how many hours do you want and how many minutes do you want. And for the schedule, you can add a schedule and then put either AM, PM, or any hour, any minutes do you want. And for the day, you can choose it. And for the entry time, you can choose how many minutes do you want and how many seconds do you want, and you can just enable it.